which particular pages still resides in the disk. So that can be done using the page map table and depicted using the two different bit, what you call as a valid bit and invalid bit. So valid bit is nothing but the particular page is legal and it is in the prime physical memory or it is in the disk. Whereas invalid bit is nothing but the page is not valid and it is not in the logical address space itself. So whenever the bit is valid, the particular page will be either in the physical memory or in the disk. Whereas if it is invalid means a particular page is not in the logical address space itself. So using the page map table and the entry whether it is V or I, we can able to identify that particular page is in the physical memory. So that particular page is an invalid page. So this concept has been clearly explained in the following diagram. See, this is what the logical memory, as I told you, we have discussed in the paging technique that your logical memory will be divided into pages and your physical memory will be divided into frames. And using the page map table, your logical address space will be converted to physical address space, and your page map table consists of two parameters here. One is frame number and one is the valid bit or invalid bit, whether the concerned page is in your physical memory. See here how many number of pages here, 0 to 7, and each page you have some content or data or a process, whatever may be. See here all these resides in the disk and you're going to swap in the physical memory, and this can be done using the page map table. 0 1, the page 0 is in 4th frame. So in page 0 you have the content A and this A will be in the 4th frame, 0 1 2 3 4. So this is a valid one. And same something, so 1, the page 1, the content is B and the B is not currently in the physical memory, so the bit seems to be invalid. Same, the page 2, the content is C, the page 2 is in the 6th frame. See here in the 6th frame the content C. So this is how a logical address space is mapped into the physical address space using the page map table. So as the content A, C, F in the concerned page number 0, 2 and finally 9 is in the, in the physical memory, and so those bits will be a valid bit and those pages that is not in the physical memory seems to be invalid. So this is how a particular page is whether it is resides in the physical memory or resides not in the physical memory is determined using the two important bit, one is valid and one is invalid. If it is valid, this particular page will be either in the physical memory or in the disk. If it is invalid, the particular page is not at all in the logical memory space. So coming to the page fault is nothing but what happens if the process tries to access the page that was not brought into the primary memory. For example, you have only the 3 pages that is brought out into the physical memory. For example, the processor is in need of G. So some other page that is not currently in your physical memory. So whenever the processor, the operating system needs a particular page that is not currently in the physical